Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Successfully, we completed 3 chapters, right? First, we completed 3 chapters. Now we started 4th chapter as well. Okay. Before that, please subscribe my channel and keep update. Okay. We will keep updating on that in the Java basics. So you guys would be this subscribe. It is better. It is better. It is better for me. Okay, I will feel better. Uh, yeah, and after subscribe, you can press on the bell icon as well. Okay, then you will get that notification when I updated in YouTube. Okay. Today we can discuss these many topics. Okay, these many chapter topics in the chapter 4, right? The chapter 4th, we have these many topics, that is arrays, strings, string builder, string buffer, and command line argument. These things, okay? These things we can discuss today. Let's what is array? What is array? Here, array is an object which contains the element of similar data types. Okay, it is contain. It is a object basically. It is Java is a array is a object which contain it is element similar data types, okay, which contains elements that is similar data types. And array is container of object that hold value of homogeneous data types, okay, types homogeneous data types means it is a similar data types, okay, it will store similar data types. And array is also known as what? It is static data structures, okay. Array is also called, it is static data structure. Okay. And it is array we call static data structure. Because the size of the array must be specified at the time of declaration. When we declare the array at that time, must be we can mention what is the array size. Okay. Uh, and array start from 0 indexes. Okay. Array start from 0 indexes. That is, let I will open paint. Array started 0 indexes. That is, for example, this is the array. Okay, this is the array, and I will create one array. This one as well. This one as well. This one I created. Okay, this is array, and this array has a similar data types, and it will store a similar data types or homogeneous data types. Okay, here we can assign some value. Okay, some value, whatever it is, but it has a index position. This is, it starts from 0. Okay, and this is 0, this is 1, and then this is 2, and then this is 3, and then this is 4, and then this is 5, and then this is 6, and this is 7, this is 8. Okay, how much, how much that index size, what is the array size? It is 0 to 8, means it will store 9 elements. Okay, it is Java, it is array in the Java is index based, right? You know, it is start from 0 to n minus 1, where 0 to 0 to n minus 1. Okay, where n is length of the array. This is the length of the array. Okay, it is start from 0 to n minus 1. And here array is a Java is the index method, right? It is the first element of the array is stored in the zeroth index here. Zeroth index, first element, and second first index, third second index, fourth third index. Okay, likewise it will store so on. And then Java array is a store. It is treated as an object, right? It is stored into heap memory. Array where it will store in the we discussed that the JVM architecture, right? JVM architecture that has so many memories, right? In that so many memories, heap memory as well. In the part of that heap memory as well. That heap memory, inside the heap memory store the array because array is a object, right? And it allows the store the primitive values or reference values. It will store primitive values or reference values. Okay. This is the 0 to 8. It is the length of the array. Okay. Length of the array. Here, array types. How many types of array? Array types. Array types here, single dimension array. Single dimension and multi-dimension array. Okay. Single dimension and multi-dimension array. Okay. These two things. Okay. Let I want to move this one. It is the combining both, right? That's the reason. Is it look good, right? Here, multi-dimension, and how we can that how we can say is the it is single dimension array, right? Essentially, the single dimension array nothing but it will it will it is store the column and row values are equal. That is called single dimension array. Okay, and it will take as a single. Okay, how I can say let I will explain one example as well. Okay, the array how we can that how we can indicate that array means it is for example int data type. Okay, int data type we can like this. Okay, int array is single dimension array or syntax array. Okay, this syntax are array. And here how we can create this array we can create array. It is the by using the data or it is the size of the length. Okay, length of the size. Okay, the initialization process of allocating memory to array as well. Okay, it is initialization. It will allocate the memory of the array. Okay, whatever it is. And then when if int array is equal to new int, for example, this one, right, is equal to new into it contain, for example, 8 means what? Means what? It will store 8. It is size of the array is 8. 8 indexes will store, okay, in that array. And for this example is created the array of the type int type. Okay, this is the data type is the int type, right? And it will store 8 elements, right? I will iterate that array to access a element to print it is the 8 element. Okay, for the iteration purpose we can use for loop or enhanced for loop we can use. Okay, and it is access the element and print it is 8 times 0 to 0 to 8 and it will show in the console as well. Okay, and it prints 0. It will print 0, right? 0 to 8, but we can't we can't initialization. Okay, we can't give any value to this array. That's the reason it will show 0. So because it did not set any values to array, right? We did not set any values. Okay, so all the element of the array initialization is 0 by default. Okay, 0 by default, right? And we can set here how I can say we can delete this one, right? They can delete, I can delete, and here this also delete, and here just we can take the value, okay, whatever it is, like 4, 7, 9, 5, 3, now 3, okay, these things, okay. This is the it can we can set that array element either at the time of the initialization or by passing the direct indexes by itself, okay, by itself, okay. It is a setting array elements. How we can set that array element? Like this only we can set, okay. And here for example array 1, array 1, for example array 1 equal to 4, 7, means what? It is here we can set that value based on the index position, right? It is the index position. Is the array is the index of the 1, okay. Index of the 0 this one, and index of 1 is this one, right? And index of the 2 this one 9, and index of the 3 2, okay. Index of the 4 3. Likewise, it will set that index value, okay. It will set the array like that, okay. And how we can accessing the array? How we can access array? We can access array element by its index only. We can access by index value only. We can access, okay. Either by using loop or direct index value. By using loop or enhanced for loop or direct index value, we can access, okay. And it will traverse it is entire array it will traverse loop or whatever it is, okay. And the length of the array indicates the number of element print in the array, right? This is the length of the array, whatever it is, 0 to 9, it is the length of the array. This indicates that it is number of elements contain that array, right? For example, in the C or C++, we can use size of, but after that, in the Java, it's the length we are using right now, right? In the C or C++, they has size of method. Now it is a length method we can use for the length purpose. How we can calculate? We have the length, and by using the length, we can calculate that length of the array. Okay. Length of the property we can use basically, okay. And we can use more this property, length property, in the future, okay. How we can length these things, okay. We can learn these things. And then okay, yes, and we can go here multi-dimension array, right? This is multi-dimension array. What is multi-dimension array? Multi-dimension array is a very much similar to the single dimension array. It is very much similar to the single dimension array. It can have multiple rows and multiple columns, unlike single dimension array. How I can say, which I can have only one row index only, okay. It represents data into tabular form which data is stored into row and columns. It will store row and column, right? Multi-dimensional array declares in like this only. Let I will declare here multi-dimensional array. For example, I am taking into data type. Okay, double just it. This is array. This is array. It is double or multi-dimensional array. Like this, we can. This is the syntax of that multi-dimensional array. We can indicate like that only, right? And we can program on that later. Okay. Okay. And by using the for loop or enhanced for loop, you can iterate, traverse or entire the it is array, okay, and print whatever it is. We have the existing element, you can print, okay. And this it is the just I elaborated what is the array and what how can store the array and does has it is the array that what type of data it will store. These things we learn, right, as of now. This is the single dimension array, multi-dimensional array, okay. These things we learn as of now, and later on we will discuss in depth in the next class, okay. And we can move next string, right? Next string. Can move next string. Okay. Here string. What is string basically? Okay. String. String is also object, right? That represent the sequence of characters. Okay. String is nothing but sequence of character. It's called string. Okay. It will store sequence of character called string. Okay. It is also one of the object, right? For example, this is one string. Hello. This is one string, and this is one string. One object. Okay. Hi. Okay. These are called strings. Okay. Strings. Okay. In the Java, string represented by string class, which is available in the it is java.lang package. String is available where? Java.lang package it will available. Okay. Java.lang package it will available. Okay. And and here one important thing to notice that above whatever it is this one, right? Hello and hi, whatever it is, this class which is our how I can say string object with store the string object are immutable. Whatever it is, string object is immutable. Once it's created, we cannot destroy them. Okay, that means we cannot delete them once it's created. Okay, cannot be changed. Moreover, right? First of all, how we can create string? Okay, how we can create string? We can create string three types. Okay, it is to handle string data in the Java. We need to object class. Okay, object of string class. Okay, basically there are three ways to create the string object, right? That is string literal. One is string literal, string literal, string literal, and second one, what is new keyword? By using new keyword also we can create. Okay, by using the new keyword also we can create. Third one, what is third one? Converting by converting characters array into strings. Sorry, into strings. Okay, these way we can create. how we can first of all, what is string? String is nothing but it is a immutable object. Once created, we cannot destroy them. And three ways we can create a string object, that is string literal, new keyword, and by converting the character into character array into string array. Okay, like this one. Like string literal, how I can create? First of all, string literal, how I can create? String literal, for example, string str equal to hello, hello. Okay, this is the string. This is string literal. Okay, directly store in the heap memory, and it said the string constant pool it will store. Okay, because it is a literal, right? Literal creating only one object, and it is stored in the directly in the string constant pool. Well, I will explain. I want to delete this one. Here, I will explain here. One, this is heap memory, and this is string constant port. Okay, this is heap memory. Sorry, this is heap memory. This is string constant port. SCP. We call SCP. Okay, string constant port. Here, whatever it is created, string str equal to hello. Okay, it will store that this. It will store in only string constant pool. Okay, it will store inside the string constant pool. Okay, why? Because there is no new keyword. Okay, by using the no new keyword, it will create heap memory as well, and it will store. It will create two objects basically. Okay, by using the new keyword, we can create two objects, one in the heap memory and another in the string constant pool. But by using the string literal, directly you can create in the string constant pool only, right? String constant pool, it will store. So, and here in the constant pool is a special area, right? It is a special area that is used to storing the string object. Okay, string constant pool is a special area for storing the string. Okay, whenever we create the string literal in Java, the JVM check the string constant pool first. Okay, when created the string in string, the JVM will check. Okay, JVM will what will do? JVM will check the created object, whatever it is, it created inside the string constant pool or not. It will verify JVM. If it will created, it will give as a the reference of the string constant pool. Okay, let one more example by using the new keyword. Okay, by using the new keyword, what will happen here? String str equal to new string. Okay, new string, new string. Here you can pass, hello, hi. Okay, it will, you can pass hi. Here by using the new keyword, it will store this hi. It will store inside the heap memory as well. It will store hi in the heap memory as well, and it will store it is it will store string constant pool language. Okay, like this you can create two objects by using new keyword. But that's what will do the JVM. Now whatever it is created high, okay, whatever it is created high or hello, whatever it is, okay, it will give the reference of that object. Okay, It will give the reference of that object. But when let in the programmatically, it will you should understand, okay, what it is happening in the string literal and string new keyword. Okay, new keyword will create two objects and string literal will create only one object. Okay, that's the main thing. Okay, when if you also created that hello here only, for example, whatever it is hello, where it is, you can remove this one. Okay, remove this one. Again, you can store here hello only. Hmm? Hello, hello. Okay, it will give the reference of that object of the hello. Okay, this is string s1. This is string. Okay, it will give that same object, but it is creating two objects here. It is creating only single object. Okay, string constant. Okay, by using string constant for saving the memory as well. But string does not exist the string constant for, right? In that JVM create a new object. If it is create that whatever it is created, the string is not inside that string constant pool, it will create new object as well. Okay, string constant pool. Let I will explain one programmatically regarding string. This is class string demo, string demo. Hmm. Here, what will have? Let I will create object the variable. Okay, string s1 equal to string literal. Okay, hello. Okay, and one more same we will create one more object, one more object, string object. Okay, this is test. Okay, we created, right? Here s1 equal s2. We can check. Okay, we need to save this one Java class, right? Dot Java. Okay, so where it is here Java classes here. Okay, here Java C dot Java, right? We need to compile them. Compile. Okay, here Java. Oh, true. Why? Because here two are object is creating only one object, right? Is the S1, this is already stored inside the heap memory, right? Hello is already stored in the heap memory, right? Heap memory. This is okay. Hello. But this is S1 basically. But string s2 again creating the hello. Okay, that is the reason that JVM was it is checked that it whatever it is creating hello, it is contained inside the string constant pool or not. If it is inside the string constant pool, it provides the reference of that string constant pool. That is the reason we are getting true. Let one more thing by using the new keyword for the string. Right, we can check here this one also, okay, and compile them. First, because here new keyword creating two objects. Okay, it is a new keyword creating two objects means it is not creating inside the string constant pool. It is creating the heap memory. Okay, that's the reason it is false. Okay, that's the reason it is false. Uh, okay. Yes, and today class it is a string is more our clear, right? And it is by using the new keyword, okay, the creating that object by using the new operator as well. It is creating object of any classes and it declares like a string. Already I told you string s1 is equal to new string hello, okay, right? It is the second way we can create, right? And passing the hello. Whenever creating the object of the string class using new operator, JVM will create two objects. Okay. First, we'll create in object in the heap area, store in the hello and into the object. And after storing the data into memory, JVM will point to reference to variable to the object in heap, allocating the memory of storing. Right? That object is whatever it is, whatever it is. Here, creating two objects, right? I how I can say this is. Uh, I want to draw one more diagram. This one, okay, and this one, right? Two diagram, okay. Here, here, whatever it is, I need to copy this one, okay, and this is whatever it is, passing the data, right? Like hello, okay. This hello is storing inside the heap memory, okay, inside the heap memory, and new keyword one more memory creating the hello. This one here in the heap. In this is string constant pool. This is heap memory, okay, okay. This is heap memory HM, and this is string constant pool SCM. Okay, by using the new keyword, we create two objects. I told you in beginning, right? By using them directly in the string literal, it will create only what? Only one object it will create. Okay, and that is inside the string constant pool only. Okay, and also and JVM will create the second object the literal, right? In the JVM second object. Okay, this is this one. And the string constant pool is it is a feature purpose. JVM will assume like that only. Okay, there is no explicitly reference of variable point to the copy object in the pool, but internally JVM maintain the reference variable explicitly. Okay, internally this one, right? It will maintain explicitly JVM, but explicitly we don't need to give any reference name. Okay. Remember, it is SCP area is not eligible to garbage collection because implicitly the reference variable will maintain by JVM itself. Okay, in this one, string constant pool of that reference variable will maintain itself only. The JVM will maintain. Okay, and third one, by converting the character array into string, char array we can create like this: char array equal to okay. This is character array. This is character array. Okay, we can call this is symbolic represent of character array, right? And converting the character array into string as well. This is example of that. Okay. Now creating the string object by passing the array name to string constructor, like string s is equal to new string, whatever it is. String s is equal to new string. You can pass this one, this array. You can pass. Okay. This array you can pass. Where is the marker? Not this one, man. Hmm. Where is that marker? It is black, right? Take this one, whatever it is, undo like this. This one, it will store string s is equal to new string, okay, and pass this one. Like that, we can create, okay. And then now string object contain the string that is Java, right? This is the Java string, okay. It means all the character of the array are copied into string. Okay, all the character was copied into string. Okay, if do not want to all character to the array into the string, then you can also mention that with character you need to like string s is equal to new string array of like this only string string s is equal to new string. Okay, you can pass like this array comma what, for example 1 comma 3. If you need to specific index position like this, you can mention like this, you can mention. Okay, if you need to specific related thing, okay, specific index position like this, you can mention here, right? And then uh, it is from the statement the total of 3 characters will be copied into the string. Okay, only 3 characters. Okay, since the original character of Java, whatever it is, I told here, right? Java, and so the counting will be start from 0. Okay, it is 0 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that it will copy it from 0 to 3 as well. Okay, like that. Hmm? Okay. One more example, I want to say this one, where it is. Right, this one, right? Oh, not this one. This one, right? Here, I want to say something new by using this, okay? By using this one, for example, string s1 equal to new string, okay? You can pass like this, Java, okay? And string s2 equal to new string, new string, okay? Also, you can pass same as Java, Java. And one more thing, string s3 equal to directly you can store, that is Java. String s4 is equal to directly you can store Java. By using these things, how many objects will create? By using s1 to s4, how many objects will create? Let I will explain this thing regarding. Okay, I want to delete them. Okay, I deleted, right? Here you need to take one rocket here. Okay, this one, and also you need to take this one like that. Okay, okay. This is SCP. Okay, string constant pool. Okay, and this is for example, we are taking three objects only because that whatever it is creating that like this is S1, this is S1, this is S2, and it is providing the reference of the object only. Hmm? What happened, man? This is okay. Like this is S1, S1, and this is S2, and this is S3, S4. Okay. Here, all are the characters the Java only. Okay, this also Java, and this also Java. Okay, and this also Java. Okay, here only three objects was created. In heap, this is heap memory. Okay, heap memory. Okay, here by using the new keyword, whatever it is given that example, I want to copy this one also. You should paste here. And paste. Okay. Here S1 is equal to new string Java. It is creating two objects. One is the heap memory, another one is the string constant pool. And here S2 string S2 is equal to no string Java. It is also creating two objects, one in the heap and another one in the string constant pool. Okay, and here string S3 is equal to Java and string S4 is equal to Java. It is directly storing only one object is creating and it is providing as the reference of that object. Okay, reference of the object. Total we have four objects created, but it is here it's showing because of that it is string S3 and S4. It is indicating it is storing in SCP only, string constant pool only. The string constant pool, it is the standard one. It is not eligible to the garbage collector address. Okay. So by using the string constant pool, we can optimize the memory as well. Okay. Yes. Uh, that's and string is a immutable, right? In starting, I told string is a immutable. Why? Because of and an object can be referred the multiple reference, right? One object can reference the multiple reference as well. Reference variable in this case, the if string object are immutable, mutable object, then we can change the content of the object automatically. Otherwise, reference get that also modified so that string object are given the as immutable, because if it is immutable we cannot change it the feature. If it is immutable it can change. If string is a mutable means we can use as a Java. It is we have the for example, say string is a catching, string is a concatenating. Sorry, it is string is a synchronizing. Okay, this purpose a string is immutable. Okay, if it is not it is mutable, that break the security issues will happen. For example, here two users are there or multiple users are there. They have using the unique username. Okay, that organization has a unique username. Okay, if one that organization inside that one people can change that password, whole organization password also change. That issue will arises. Okay, that's the reason string is a immutable. Okay, and string has a so many method string length. Okay, by using the string length we can calculate the length of the string. And concatenate multiple string. Okay, concatenate multiple string with one. Okay, and string to char array. Okay, we can convert all the characters of the string into character array. Okay, and string caret means that this method will retrieve the single character from the given string. Okay, from the string it will get. And it is compared to. Okay, compare the two strings. Okay, the comparison is based on the alphabetic order in general terms. Okay, in the alphabetic order we can compare them. String is less than that other if it is come before that other. Okay, this contractory you can use. Okay, and string contains. Okay, and string split. Okay, you can split as well by using comma. Okay, and the string index of. Okay, and and string demo. Okay, to string replace. Okay, substring. Okay, string contains substrings as well. Okay, these things are string. That all about the string method. Some of the interviewer will ask how many types of how many methods are there in the string object. Can you elaborate a few of them? Like that, they will ask. You can say a string length, string caret, and string char array. Okay, and string compare to a string contains string substring, string split. Okay, string index of. Okay, two string replace. Okay, like that you can say. And some of the interview will also like this type of question will ask string s1 is equal to new string, and string s2 is equal to new string s3 is equal to java, and string s4 is equal to java. By using these many object, how many object will create, they will ask like that. Okay, by using by using the four object, it will get that only three object, because the string has a the JVM has a string constant pool memory that optimize the memory as well. Okay, that you can say like that. Okay, and string is y immutable. String is a y immutable means it is the, if it is not immutable, it is, if it is a immutable, lot of the security issue will break. Okay, that's the reason string is a immutable. Let I can say I already explained you, right? It is in the organization, and they have the password, unique password. If it is changed only one user, whole user will change, because it is a string is a catching. Okay, string is a synchronization as well. Okay, this, that's the reason string is a immutable. You can say like that. Okay. Hmm. Yes, that's all about today class. I will explain tomorrow. It is a string, whatever it is, based on the string, I can create one program on that string. I will say again. And tomorrow class we can discuss string buffer and string builder. Okay, these things we can discuss. Okay, what is the differences between them? Okay, all those things we can discuss tomorrow. Okay. Before that, you can share our channel and subscribe me and like me. If you like one video, it will reach few more people as well. Okay. If it is subscribe as well, I will feel a better, and I will provide you a better content as well. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.